Hello dear students. Today we are going to continue 1.5 a Kabaddi match. Page number 14. Now 9B began to play cautiously. Cautiously means in a guarded manner. Mihir, one of the raiders, even managed to tag Soham in 9th A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid. It was Vivek's chance. He always played with strategies. It means plans of action to achieve an aim. And they worked fine. The remaining three players from 9B trapped Vivek. They caught hold of Vivek. He slowly moved back towards his court. The three anti-raiders also moved with him. Anti-raiders means every player in whose court raid is being made, and also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the middle with the anti-raider still hanging onto his arm. Oh, the whole of the 9B team was declared out because he caught hold of his arm, and so the whole team of 9B was out. 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. 9th A students, they got a bonus points. That means it is called as a Lona. It was an icing on the cake. That means they were very happy that we got one more point. What an enviable score! Enviable means sought after. It set the heads of 9th B reeling. 9B was trying hard to win. After that half-time break, the star players of 9th A were full of confidence. 9th A were full of confidence. They knew that they were going to win. Once again, they managed to catch hold the ace raiders, Mohan. Over here, ace means one who excels. Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9th A outplayed 9th B in all the areas of Kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. Yeah, what do you mean by swiftness? Swiftness means moving with a rapid speed. Suppleness means flexibility. What is Kabaddi? See over here, it's given a short brief note. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries, so that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamani, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. So Kabaddi, it is an ancient sport and it is originated in India and it has now become popular in many other countries. And so that many international events were also organized. So how do you play Kabaddi? It's given over here. In Kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a middle line. So I'll show you that pic afterwards. Two teams are there. Each team is having 7 members and there's a rectangular court and there's a middle line, each team in the front of each other. The game is usually played in 2 halves with a half-time break in between. After the break, the teams exchange their sides in the court. After they play, the teams exchange their side. To play the game, each team sends raiders across the middle line to the other team. Now each team sends their raiders, that is I said anti-raiders, that is every player in whose court raid is being made. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side. The raider tries to catch hold of that opponent. What do you mean by opponent? The opposite person, the opposite team. He tries to catch hold of that person, that boy or that girl. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side all in one breath. That means in one breath only he tries to kabaddi says and then he tries to catch. To show that he hasn't inhaled again. Inhaled again means he had not breathed in again. He has to chant kabaddi kabaddi all the time. He has to go on say kabaddi kabaddi all the time. If he has to inhale again, he is out. If he just stops over there, that means he is out. The opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the raider manages to go back successfully, all the person he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points, that means a Lona, and the team with the maximum points wins the match. Those who get more points, maximum means the more points, wins the match. And if the opposite team person or whoever it is out, the other team gets a bonus point called as a Lona. The game Kabaddi requires good health. What does it require? Good health, muscular strength, strategic skills. What do you mean by strategic skills? Means useful in achieving a plan. A lot of practice. And above all, great determination. Here determination means firmness in purpose. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at Kabaddi. They always excel means they are good players. Would you like to be an ace Kabaddi player when you are a little older? What do you mean by ace? Ace means one who excels. Okay? Who knows if you make a resolve now? Resolve means a firm decision to play Kabaddi for the next year or whenever you want to play. One day you may help or win the glory for your school, district level, or even the state and the country. Even my dear children, if you play Kabaddi, you can bring glory. You can bring glory to your school as well as to your district or even the state and the country. So my dear children, here I have completed the chapter. You go through the chapter, read it, and I'll give you a short note or summary of this chapter as well as some questions you have to write down in your notebook. As well as you have to read the chapter once again. Thank you.